ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Hello children, welcome back to Samveda A class. Urdu medium 7th class, 3rd language English, unit lesson 7, an act of cleverness, session 2. Before going to start remaining part of the lesson, I have some questions. I have some questions to you. Let us know about. The first one, who wrote letter to Rafi? Here we came to know already half of the lesson we completed. Who wrote the letter? Yes, can you guess the answer, dear children? Yes, you are right. Let's check the answer. Yes, Somesh wrote a letter to Rafi. You are right. Okay, the next question, who had jewelry shop? Yes, who had jewelry shop? You already know about this one. Who had jewelry shop? Yes, children? Yes, he is right. Who had? Shankar's father had jewelry shop. The next one, who saw the opened jewelry shop? Yes, discussing yourself? Yes, you are right. You are right, children. Your answer is correct. Let's check the answer. Shankar saw opened the jewelry shop. Let us move on. New words. Honor, to felicitate. Here you see in the picture, girl was felicitated by teacher. It means students were honored for their achievements. Presence of mind, to be aware of the circumstances and act quickly. Whatever the incident happened in our surroundings, we have to react quickly. That is presence of mind. Okay, Shankar was honored because of his presence of mind. Here you see in the picture, the boy with his presence of mind, he is acting quickly. Cleverness, the quality of being clever, genius. Here you see the picture. This is actually tempo, but appears to be as car. And an artist made the tempo to appear as car by his cleverness. Okay, let us start the lesson. Half of the lesson we have completed. Now continuation part. Here already we knew that Shankar informed to police inspector and brought the inspector along with the constables and caught the thieves. So afterwards what happened? The police inspector said, how brave! The inspector patted on Shankar's back and said, the police inspector patted on Shankar's back. If anything good we did, our teachers also saying like this, patted, shabash, shabash, like this. So like that, inspector also patted on the Shankar's back. Well done, my boy, you are very clever. The police inspector said, due to his presence of mind, police inspector said, well done, my boy, you are very clever. Everyone praised Shankar for his cleverness. Who were presented at that moment, at that spot, all those persons praised Shankar for his cleverness. Continued, Somesh wrote like this in his letter to Rafi, our school is organizing a function next week to honor Shankar for his cleverness and presence of mind. Yes, in Somesh, in his letter to Rafi, he said like this, our school is organizing a function in next week to honor the Shankar for his cleverness and presence of mind, because he stopped thefting Shankar's jewelry shop. Rafi, don't you think we should not lose heart in times of danger or difficulty? See, Somesh is writing like this, Rafi, don't you think we should not lose heart in times of danger or difficulty? He said like this, we should be as clever and confident as Shankar. Whenever we are facing difficulties, we should not lose our heart. We should face the problem or difficulty with the help of our cleverness and presence of mind. Here also Shankar did his job with the help of his cleverness and presence of mind. Finally, I am really proud of him. Tell your friends about this. Yes, Somesh is writing like this, I am really proud of him. Him means who? Yes, who? Shankar. Very good. Somesh is telling about Shankar, I am really proud of him because he is my friend. Tell your friends about this incident. Is there anything special from your side? Yes, I said about my side special thing. Is there any special thing from your side? If it is yes, you can say. How is your granny? Is your sister attending dance classes now? Yes, he is asking about granny's health. How is granny? He is good. And about his sister attending dance classes now. Convey my regards to your parents. Yes, my best wishes to your parents and all whole family, he said. Please do reply with love, yours, Somesh. See, this is totally, the letter was written to Rafi by Somesh. The incident, it include incident what happened in the spot jewelry shop. Okay, I think you understood the lesson. Yes, very good. Next, here is some questions for your comprehension. Yes, the first one, well done my boy, you are very clever. Who said this? Yes, dear children, can you? Yes, you are right. Well done my boy, you are very clever. Who said this? The police inspector said this. Yes, you are right. The second one, why did everyone praise Shankar? Yes, can you answer? Yes, you are right. Everyone praised Shankar for his cleverness. Yes, he did good thing for his cleverness. Who wrote a letter to Rafi? Yes, who wrote a letter to Rafi? Yes, your answer is? Yes, very good. Somesh wrote a letter to Rafi. See here, in your textbook about the articles, we already completed indefinite articles. Okay, here the types of letters, the formal letters and informal letters. Types of formal letters. What are the types of formal letters are there? Letter of enquiry, order letter, letter of complaint, promotion letters, sales letters and recovery letters. These are the types of formal letters. And the next one, Dear students, here are the types of informal letter. Inviting friends for birthday, calling friend for trip, asking sorry means apology, congratulating friends achievements. These are the informal letters. Here this unit lesson, unit 7, an act of cleverness is a type of informal letter. Okay, dear students, here the type of informal letter is here. You have to try to fill the words in this blanks. Okay, this is the type of informal letter. We already knew about this one in the first session, free activity. There the 5 words are there: heading, greeting, message, signature, thank you, like that. You know, here also you have to follow those steps. Okay, here the box and words, you have to choose these words and fill in the blanks. Okay, yes, can you guess anyone? Yes, you are right. The first one, yes, first one is date. Good. 21st August. Okay, good. The next one, yes, your side, this side. Yes, dear Ravi. Okay, you are right. The third one, celebrated. Yes, exactly, your answer is correct. Okay, what about the fourth one? Deepavali with great pomp, celebrated. Manish had also come. We dash. Yes, your answer is right. That is missed you a lot. The fifth one, we dash our old friends at school. Hope to see you during. Yes, the answer is yes. Somebody is right. Try. Yes, you are right. Absolutely right. Your answer is met. We met our old friends at school. Hope to see you during. Yes, last one left. Sixth one. Your answer is correct. Summer holidays. Convey my, yes, what? The seventh one. Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. Regards. The last one left. Yes. Yes, you are already completed this one. You are correct. Yours lovingly. This is the type of informal letter. Okay. Okay. Let us move on next one. Okay. We already completed the type of articles indefinite. Let us learn about definite article. Okay. Indefinite means non-specific. Here definite means specific. Okay. Definite article which implies something specific. For example, the. We use the when we talk about a person or thing for the second time. If we are talking about person or thing for the second time, we have to use the. Okay, this is definite article. Okay, let us see with the examples. Use a, an or the to complete these sentences. Okay, the first one, I bought dash book. Dash book was interesting. Okay, what is the sound of B? Yes, good. It is consonant. Consonant means what comes there first? Yes, you are right. Absolutely. I bought a book. Then we are talking about for the second time, the thing become particular. Yes, your answer is correct. I bought a book. The book was interesting. You are right. Very good. Second, let us move on. Second, Raju ate dash apple. Dash apple was red. Yes, we are talking for the first time. What is the sound of apple? Beginning letter. Yes, you are right. That is oval. Oval means what comes there? You are correct. And apple. Yes, for the talking for the second time. Yes, it's become the specific, means particular. Yes, the answer is right. Raju ate an apple. The apple was red. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Yes, move on to third one. I met boy in the market. Boy had blue eyes. Yes. What about the sound boy? Yes, consonant. What comes there in the bracket? For the second time? Yes, you are right. I met a boy. I met a boy in the market. The boy had blue eyes. I saw dash ant. Ant was dark and tiny. What about the sound ant? Yes, it's a vowel. Yes, what comes there? Yes, you are right. What comes there? Ant. I saw an ant. Yes, the ant was dark and tiny. You are right, children. The last one. Ravi presented dash ring to Lakshmi. Okay, here the Ravi presented a ring to Lakshmi. Ring was beautiful. Here you see the ring was beautiful. He presented to Lakshmi. Yes, what about the sound of ring? Yes, yes, your answer is correct. Ravi presented a ring to Lakshmi and the ring was beautiful. Yes, you learned perfectly. Here for your home assignment, that is write a letter to your friend using following format. In your textbook, page number 69, there is a format of this letter writing. You have to write for your friend and next day show to your English teacher. Thank you. This is Goneppa Malanavar, Assistant Teacher, Gout MPS Chandriki, Gurmat Kaltaluk, District Yadgir. Thank you.